Welcome to Chemistry with Hub to English. In today's episode, you will learn about the zero conditional while studying the physical properties of water. Conditionals are sentences that describe the result of a certain condition. We use the zero conditional to talk about facts and things that are always true. We all know that water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. So if you look at water, you can't see its color. If you taste water, you taste nothing. If you smell water, you smell nothing. Those sentences describe situations that are always true, and that's why I use the zero conditional. You might have noticed that a conditional sentence consists of two clauses, the if clause and the main clause. The if clause is the condition and the main clause is the result. For example, if you heat water, it boils. We can start a conditional sentence with the if clause. For example, if you freeze water, it turns into ice. But we can also start it with a main clause. Water turns into ice if you freeze it. The meaning stays the same. The important difference between these two sentences is a comma. We only need it if we start a sentence with the if clause. If you heat ice, it melts. Ice melts if you heat it. If ice melts, it becomes water. Ice becomes water if it melts. Now you've probably noticed that in zero conditional sentences we use present simple in both of the clauses. If you heat water, it evaporates. And now let's do the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!